Good evening from Grand Plain Farm. It's June 23rd, 2025, and it's about 6:30. And the goat's trying to eat the walnut tree. My daughter Mandy is helping secure the panels to the T-post. All the animals been grain. They have their hay, their water. So they're taken care of for tonight. We're going to go ahead and try to keep the goats out in a big pen today for tonight. Mandy's still working on wiring it together, the T-post to the cattle panels. So not sure how well I'll sleep tonight. I'll have to check on them, make sure they didn't escape over the night. I'm sure they'll be okay. They like their freedom. Hey baby, you're supposed to be eating that, not playing on it. It's a pretty good sized wire right there she's cutting. The boys are still working on tow. Has to be modified for the lift kit. So it's taking a little bit longer than we expected. Now it's about 8:35 in the evening. Mandy's still working on the fence. She's really helped me out a lot here. It's all wired to the point she's at. Anyway, somebody dark here pretty quick. Yeah, run up to the house and use the bathroom. Come down and help her out a little bit more, and then we're gonna call it a day after a couple more wires. Appreciate you watching. Catch you next time.